Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to add entry in a FS tab. So like basically when we are creating any kind of file system in a Linux server, after that we have to add those entry in a FS tab. So like when we will reboot the server, so automatically mount point will be mounted. Okay, so like FS tab is one kind of a configuration file. So like they are typically list all the available disk, partition, and other types of file system. But like means holding there. Okay, and so FS tab path is slash etc FS tab. This is a file FS tab file, and in this file total six options are there. So one is for device name, and second is the mount point, third is the file system type. So file system type means which kind of your file system types like ext2, ext3, ext4 kind of etc kind of things. Fourth is the mount point default. So if you give the default option there, so or whatever the parameters set in a default, that will be work. Like in a default, generally read, write, SUID kind of things are there. Okay. Fifth is define whether data should be backup, dumping before system shutdown or reboot. So this option basically used for the backup and dumping kind of things. So one is for commonly used and zero might be used if the file system is a temporary storage space. And sixth option is define the order in which file system checking should take place. For root file system values should be 1, everything else should be 2. So for this option is generally like when we are rebooting a system that time it's working checking the file system that is in an order way. So for generally we are using one for the root and other file system we can use two. If you don't want to check like a scan your file system, then you put the zero. Zero means escaping the checking. Okay, so let me log into the server. Then I will explain you how to add this entry in a FSTab. Okay, this is my server. I'm going to edit the file through the VI editor, etc. FSTab. So before going to there, I have to take which file system I want to add here. So yeah, so I'm going to add this one, VI etc FSTab. Yeah. Now go to last, press insert button. Okay, and hit enter, and then press. This is my device name, and what is my one point name? One point name is a DB2, and then which kind of file system? In my case, this is ext4. ext4. Now I am giving to here default option. So whatever the in default parameter, it will work here. Okay, and I don't want to take any backup kind of thing, so I'm giving it zero here, and also I don't want to like a scanning when system will be reboot, so I'm giving a zero here. Okay, so zero for the skipping and checking. Now I'm coming out from here. Yeah, so let me reboot. So see, then I will show you automatically this mount point will be mount. Yeah, it will take 1 minute to reboot. Yeah, so my system is rebooted now. Let me log in to server. One second, let me open a new duplicate window here. Yeah, so I log in to server. So let me see that. Yeah, you can see this coming automatically. So, so this way you can add entry in a FS tab. Okay, so thanks for your watching, and please subscribe my channel, and comment also if you need any modification from my end. Thank you. Thanks for the watching.